Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add several photos to one Facebook story. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then go to your home page. Click on create story option, and here you just simply select a picture and you just resize it, and then click on the sticker option at the top of your story, and then again click on your gallery option, and then click on the second picture and you just resize it and paste it where you want. That's it. Now you will be able to add several photos to one Facebook story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.